Hey gentlemen, welcome back to Dental Miracle. Every single night, millions of people around the world take out their teeth, place them in a glass of water, and go to sleep. Dentures, they have been the only real option for tooth loss for over 2,500 years. But what if I told you that in a laboratory in Kyoto, Japan, scientists have developed a single injection that could make dentures completely obsolete? Not in 50 years, not in 20 years. By 2030, the drug is called TRGO35, and today on Dental Miracle, I am going to explain exactly how it works and where it stands right now. Welcome back to Dental Miracle, the channel where we track the science that is about to change dentistry forever. If you are new here, hit that subscribe button right now because we cover every major update on tooth regeneration research. Today's video is a full, complete breakdown of TRGO35, covering how it works, human trial results, and the realistic timeline for your dentist. Right now, if you lose a tooth, you have three options. Option 1, a bridge. They grind down your healthy neighboring teeth to hang a fake one. Option 2, dental implants. These are titanium screws drilled directly into your jawbone. They are expensive, and your body can reject them. Option 3, dentures. The cheapest option, but they slip, click, and cause your jawbone to literally dissolve over time. TRGO35 is a monoclonal antibody drug designed to target a protein in your body called USAG1. Inside your jaw, you have dormant tooth buds. These are blueprints for extra teeth left over from our evolutionary past. Scientists, led by Dr. Katsu Takahashi, discovered that if you block USAG1, those dormant buds wake up and a new tooth begins to grow. In 2024, Toregem Biopharma initiated Phase 1 human clinical trials. The trial enrolled 30 adult participants specifically born with missing teeth. Phase 2 trials, testing actual tooth regrowth effectiveness, are expected to begin in 2026, with results potentially available by 2028, because TRGO35 grows a real tooth with a real root. It preserves the jawbone and eliminates the need for adhesives or replacements. If you want to access this sooner, the fastest path is clinical trial participation through Toregem Biopharma's official registration. For the first time in human history, we are not replacing lost teeth. We are regrowing them from our own biology. Hit the like button and subscribe to Dental Miracle for every update. Drop your questions in the comments, and I will see you next time. Thanks for watching, guys, and I'll see you in the next video.